like vaccines. I am
not everybody
vaccinated.
does, I know.
The problem that a lot of people have is that this was fast-tracked, and they get nervous about
They do.
possible potential side effects, and we don't know what those are going to be. And then there's a lot of people that are very uncomfortable with the idea of getting very sick after they take the vaccine, which seems to happen with 80% of the people that take it. And so they're concerned about that.
Wait, 80% of people who are taking this vaccine?
Yes.
That's not what I heard.
Well, that's what Bill Gates has said.
Bill Gates?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know if we can look it up.
Yeah, we'll play it for you. Pull it off of... I know. It's weird. When people say that, people are like, wait, what? It's on my Instagram. There's an interview with Bill Gates where he's talking about, I believe this is the Moderna vaccine. Mm-hmm. The Pfizer vaccine has a very similar effect because it's the way this mRNA vaccine works. They've taken the common cold vaccine and added this to it.
Right.
So your body develops these proteins to fight off. But you get sick.
Yeah, I mean, well, I can say, I don't know, I mean, I read the sort of report, the readout from Pfizer and Moderna, BioNTech, and they said there were very few serious side effects. I mean, I don't know serious or not. I mean, I got the flu shot, whenever it was, a couple months ago, and my arm hurt for a couple days.
Well, that's just the shot site.
I wouldn't do it just for fun.
That's just the injection.
Yeah,
site. But your body didn't feel bad, right?
But it was fine. I felt okay.
This is different than that. This is different than that, and there's a consequence to taking this. And I'm not saying that I won't take it. I will. And if it's safe, I will encourage other people to take it too. But there's a reality of taking this particular vaccine that it's going to make a lot of people feel like shit. And it'll last a couple days. If that is all it is, it's just you have severe chills and you feel like shit for a couple days, that is way better than getting the coronavirus and risking the potential death and side effects and the long haul people that are experiencing blood clots. And if it's better than that, but it's just not. It's not a free ride.
So I just want to get the numbers. What I see here from science is that the sort of fatigue, that you were talking about, feel like shit for 2 days. That about 10% of people had the side effects.
Well, hold on a second. But why is Bill Gates saying 80%?
Well, she was saying it's some side effect comes in 80%, right? But like what you were talking about is in a subset. Of the people get it.
Well, but hold on a second. I don't know if that's true because there's many articles about the side effects of this vaccine. I've never seen one of them that relegated it to 10% of the population that took the vaccine. I mean,
specifically
the second dose. Yeah. The other thing about this is you have to take 2. The second dose seems to be the doozy for people.
Right. I mean, I guess that's the tough one.
Now,
do you think, so this is something that's interesting, is I have like one set of conversations with people and they're saying, who's going to be able to get the vaccine? Like, how are we going to roll this out? Healthcare workers, essential workers, all this other kind of stuff. And then there's another conversation where people are like, maybe you're not going to want to get it, right? And me, I'm like, I'm really eager, give it to me tomorrow. I don't even care that the FDA is not done.
Why is that? You're not worried about side effects?
I'm not worried about side effects.
Why are you not worried about side effects?
Because fever for a couple days.
But what if that's all we know of now?
Yeah.
But look, long haul COVID survivors. One of the things they're finding is these people have blood clots like many months later.
No, I mean I know
it's like a serious.
But that's
thing.
Just it. Like I would really like to not get COVID.
Yeah, sure.
So
but what if there's a similar situation with the vaccine? What if the vaccine, and this is not outside the realm of possibility, that the vaccine gives some sort of a side effect that's unintended?
I mean, I have a lot of confidence in the basic process here with the vaccine development.
But this isn't the basic process. This is a completely new process, much faster than any process that we've ever
it's an unusually rapid
development of vaccines.
I mean, it's an unusually rapid development because they have this mRNA. I don't know what that means. I mean, it's messenger RNA, but I don't know what it means.
Which just means that it's not giving you a dormant version of COVID.
So there's no virus, right? There's a particle that's specially designed. It triggers antibodies. Yeah. We create them. And so I think the basic antibody immune response situation is fairly well understood scientifically. It's why we're pretty confident that the people who've recovered, are immune, that, younger and healthier people in most cases are okay. If they get sick, they get better. So to me, like, it's a good thing. I'm all for it. I'll take it. I'll get the fever. But I'm also not I want to walk the line. Like, I want to encourage people to take vaccines, like as a responsible person, but also knowing that the supplies will be short. If somebody doesn't want it, like somebody else will take that dose.